Z Squad. It's the Hammer Twins with a Z. I'm Anaya.
And I'm Janaya.
And if we got a problem, we'll run it right by. So today, you two, we are giving you Jenny in a bottle. Jenny in a bottle. You rabbit, pop it. And you pop out like that. So yeah, we are doing the rate me 1 through 10
the monkey
app. Did you start the screen record off?
I'm finna to right now. We ain't finna jump into the video right now. So.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So yeah, we're doing the monkey app. Rate me 1 through 10. You already know. We're finna get into this video. No further ado. Let's get into the video.
Okay, you guys.
Okay, you guys. She's finna cut on the screen recorder.
Okay, screen recorder is on. Oops. Okay. This is Brandon, 14, United States.
I need to get over something because the man.
He a young anyway, so.
Right there. He skipped.
Yeah.
That's a girl. Why you accepting girls?
I wasn't finna accept it. I was just reading it.
Get on the side. Bing, bing, bing. All right.
This is, I don't know.
No, 20. Boy, element. Janelle, you got to read it out.
TJ Windham.
And he skipped. And he skipped.
Damn, why everybody skipping today?
And he skipped. And he skipped. And
this is Pratt. This is Pratt.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick?
You said what?
Can we ask you a question real quick?
What up?
Rate us 1 through 10.
Whoa.
At time.
Alright.
Rate us 1 through 10.
Rate y'all 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Well, I done been asked that shit about 10 times. Alright.
Oh, man.
Alright, so y'all look like y'all sisters though.
We twins.
Oh shit, I fuck with it.
I'm weak.
I'm dead.
How old are y'all?
17.
Y'all 15?
17.
Oh, I finna say damn. But shit, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the truth. I don't really judge people off of rates for real. But I'll say y'all a 7 though.
All right, this is shit I want.
Yeah. My good butt, like I see that dimple.
Yeah.
We both got dimples.
You see?
Hey, dimple
Okay.
You already know what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm with it. I'm telling y'all.
All right. Bye. All
He
right.
cool. He said 7. Okay.
We gonna take this. This is Christian 18 from the United States.
I'm moving around like I'm peeing, y'all.
Hey, who monkey app you on? You too little.
But I look like I did the pee-pee dance, y'all. Look. I guess I was nervous. I was just moving. I was like,
You are fat.
Okay, guys. You
get
see,
back into the video. Why is I
this is Jason, 21, United States.
Hey, can we ask you a question?
What?
Rate us 1 through 10, honest opinion.
I bet at time.
All right.
Alright, so the one in the red, I give her a 9. The one in the white, I give her a 10.
Okay.
Okay, I fuck with that. I fuck with that.
Okay, thank you.
I fuck with that.
Thanks for your honest opinion. How old you is?
15, right turn 16.
Okay. You got a Ninja Turtle pillowcase?
No.
Oh, I thought it was Ninja Turtle. Hey, I'm asking Ninja Turtles.
I'm over my cousin house.
Oh.
Oh.
All right, then. Well, you already know. Thanks for your honest opinion.
Bye. Okay, guys. I fuck with that. Okay. Oh, shit.
Dang.
Should I stay close to the camera like this and you stay in the back?
No.
Alright, 21, Louisiana.
Yeah, Louisiana. Come back.
I am.
Skip.
Yeet. Okay, Decorin, 15, United States. I think they say Decorian.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick? I like your Nike pants, but I need to ask you a question.
Hey, every time.
All right. Hey, I like your Nike pants. I fuck with the Nike. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, okay. Okay. Rate us 1 through 10. Rate us 1 through 10.
What?
Rate us 1 through 10.
One in the back. I'm gonna give you a 10.
Okay. I fuck with it. How about
One in the front. The one in the front give you an 8.
Okay.
I fuck
All
with
right.
it. Okay.
I mess with
We
it.
got that.
Huh?
We got that.
Where we live?
Yeah.
We in Birmingham, Alabama. What about you?
Me too.
You in Birmingham, Alabama? What part?
Me too.
Huh? You heard me?
Yeah, me too.
I said what part?
Oh.
Dead
You
close.
close.
Like,
You close.
dead close.
That's Tom.
You gotta, hell no.
Where y'all going to?
You going to the
11.
11th?
Y'all going to the 11?
Yeah.
Yeah. What grade you going to? The 9th?
Y'all going to the 9?
Okay, you finna be a freshman. Word of advice, tips. Let me give you some tips, bro. Most of them people you going in with in middle school not gonna be your friend. I'm telling you, they gonna switch up, but
That's more Tom.
they gonna switch up for real, y'all. On me, they really gonna switch up on you. I came in high school with so much friends. Left out with one. This is my sister, and this the only person I'm riding with to the end. On me.
Right.
Oh, I be standing out there. I play football.
Oh, okay, you're an athlete. That's what's up. You know what I'm saying? Keep up the good work, grind. You know what I'm saying? Get what you trying to be in life. Motivate.
like a
Have
damn.
his friend.
Huh?
Have his friend.
All right.
Y'all had fun for real.
Oh, thank you. All right, we about to go meet some more friends. We gonna head on Snapchat.
Whoever monkey this is, tell me.
No, you text me.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
All right, I'm cool, y'all. We waste about 8 minutes. Some of this stuff gonna be cut out.
It's all right. Okay. Oops.
He don't know what's going on. But
Yeah, he just
It'll
This
fly,
is
like I
Ward 17, Virginia.
Virginia, you guys.
Virginia.
Gang. He skipped us. Ooh, he skipped us. He skipped us. He skipped us. Ooh.
This is a girl. Okay, we just.
Oh, for a moment. Okay. Dang, Janai, you waited too long.
Okay. You guys.
Okay. Really, put your pants now. Do that.
This is CJ 19, Tennessee.
Tennessee, he 19.
He
Ooh.
yeah, I knew
He
he was
19.
skip.
Yeah, we too young for him. Yeah, he ain't trying to catch the case.
This is Jameer 14, New Jersey.
That's too young. I ain't trying to catch the case, but just playing too.
Too
He's
old
skilled.
for him. Too old for him. That's why he's skilled.
Made me
This
look
is
like a cougar.
Joe 14, United States.
Can we ask you a question real quick?
What's good?
Wait,
You
can I
don't
ask-
look 14.
Dang, bro, these some kids on here. This is my first time being on here.
I'm 17.
Add time.
He 14.
Add time. Look, don't. This is Mike 17, South Carolina.
Gang.
Damn.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
Right off. Where? This bitch hung up.
Took too long to get to the point, baby.
Oh, man.
This is Hayden 16, United States.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick?
What, bitch?
Oh, hell no, bitch. You finna cook your butt.
Add time.
What the fuck?
Long neck giraffe ass nigga.
Add
God, you
time.
like an off-brand Justin Bieber, little naked about ass bitch. Talk to your nigga. Curve it.
Okay, ooh, shit.
Get this shit.
States. He finna skip. Take too long.
How LeBron be that? He be like, Psych, even.
Hey, this is Kid Rich 18.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick?
What?
Rate us 1 through 10. I like your goals.
Appreciate it. Hey, at Tom, man.
Rate us.
Hey, where y'all from?
Alabama.
Yeah, we're from Alabama.
Y'all twins?
Yeah. Why you talking like that? Them goals too big for your mouth or something?
You said what?
Why you talking like that? Them goals too big for your mouth or something?
Nah, you tripping.
Hey, we need to ask you a question though, and I need your honest opinion. Rate us 1 through 10.
You said what?
Rate us 1 through 10.
I give y'all 7.
A 7. Okay, I mess with it. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying?
He first last me. Yeah. Anyways, he was cool.
He was cool. Yeah. Boom.
I'm just not for real. I did sound like he was talking. This Emmanuel, 18. You know, he's like, been what? With who?
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick? Bitch. Can we ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Oh,
Little bitty boy, go do your school work, okay? Get off this.
Get off this bucket shit.
Right.
Too young.
Too young.
You're too young.
This is Bro 19, Ohio.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick? Can we ask you a question real quick? Can we ask you a question real quick?
Hey, yo.
Can we ask you a question?
Hallelujah.
Woo! I'm just start doing this. I'm just start singing on the air.
This okay.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick?
How are you doing?
We doing
doing good. Can I ask you a
Y'all
question?
beautiful.
Thank you. But I need you to rate us 1 through 10.
21
Add time. Huh?
I did add time. Y'all gorgeous. I added you as a friend too.
Oh, let me add you back then.
Okay, so let you rate us.
Beautiful.
Huh?
Hey! Tighten up! This bitch trying to bite my feet and shit.
I'm weak. But what I finna say?
Is that a why you
Rate us
let
1
that
through 10.
He said,
It's my dog.
why you let him lick you all in the face like that?
Girl, shut up like you never let Jordan lick you in your face.
Huh?
Nice. I love her.
I know, right? Do you?
do it
My
since
mom
I
be
was
like,
11.
my mom used to be like when I had my dog, why y'all let that dog sleep with you? Why y'all let him
I
lick
knew
you on
her
your
since
face?
I was 11. She do that. She's a smart dog. She protects me.
That's what I'm talking about.
How old you is?
She can lick me if she want to.
Yeah,
No,
but you
she
ain't. A girl not even gonna want to kiss you if she know your dog been licking all over your face.
Probably licking you in your mouth.
Not on my lips though. So
She probably do lick you on your lips.
She
You know how
probably
dogs
do.
be sneaking up on you. Dogs be like,
Why you think I just sat up so she wouldn't lick me on my lips? Tighten up.
all right.
He said, tighten up. Good.
Anyway.
But he said a 20 because y'all beautiful. So we gonna get beautiful. This is Luca 15 Canada. We gonna give that a 10. Yeah.
Hey, can we ask you a question real quick? Can we ask you a question real quick?
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh. Dude, we gotta censor that child. He nasty, bitch. It's kids on this game,
Right.
including me. I don't want to see that.
Oh, we just saw Kamar 20.
I don't want to see that. Oh, welcome back, friend.
Okay. Oh, I'm high, y'all. This game give me a
Yo,
wet. This legit twin. You got a twin? Let me see where he
add
at.
time. I want to see your twin.
No, at work. That still costs.
I got a twin too. I got a twin too. 17.
I'm grown. I'm 21.
Nigga, I'm grown too. Don't try
Right,
to play like
I'm
a
grown
kid.
too. What
Don't
did
try
you
to play
talking
like a
about?
kid.
Girl.
What?
I work.
Man, 17, y'all some juice.
Hold on, I'm grown. I'm about to be 18 next year, boy. I'm gonna be 18 next year, and I got a job to be a 17-year-old. Most of these 17-year-olds,
I make my own money and I make my own moves. Yup.
Where y'all from?
We from Birmingham, Alabama.
See, I'm from Florida. You got cut in Florida.
Bet. I'm coming to Florida. I'm coming to Florida.
You ever been to Florida before?
No, I've been in Atlanta though.
In Savannah, Georgia.
I ain't been to that before. I've been in Georgia, but
hold on, ask more time because we still need to ask you this question. Ask more time real quick. But yeah, we never been to Florida before, but that's gonna be our next move. So thank you for letting us know.
That's our next move.
Yeah, that's our next move.
What y'all going to?
Huh? I don't even know.
What part of Florida y'all going to?
I don't even know. I'm just
know?
gonna be driving through that hole trying to find where I'm gonna go. I don't even know.
I'm pretty sure Florida is not that big.
Yeah, I'm gonna just be driving. I hope nobody don't. I don't know. I'm gonna be nervous, but I'm gonna be driving.
Orlando?
Yeah, Orlando sound pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the spot right there. Both from Palm Beach.
You from Home Beach? Ain't this something called Murder Beach down there, something like that?
Murder Beach, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Murder Beach, but that's a little bit up north. A little
Okay.
farther.
And where you say you at again?
Palm Beach.
Alright, that's where I'm gonna be going. This our next move. This our next move.
Add more time, because we still getting off topic. Add more time real quick. Because we still gotta answer this question. One more. I just gotta ask. Nigga, I just had to answer this question because we got off topic. Dang,
Sorry, you guys. It's our
Mr.
fault.
Tony boy. Hey, can we ask you a question real quick?
Huh?
Can we ask you a question real quick? I like your eyebrows.
What's up?
I need you to rate us 1 through 10.
Gotta put your face.
At time.
2.
Huh?
Rate you from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1 to 10. Onions opinion.
5.
No sugar cone. 5. Okay. But I like your eyebrows though. I rate your eyebrows a 10. I said I like your eyebrows. I rate your eyebrows a 10.
Thank you. These are natural.
I know. I see you, boy. You got them eyebrows, boy. I see you.
Imagine if I got them done.
Oh my
Bro,
God,
gonna be on
fleek.
fleek. Oh God.
Boy, them things gonna be on fleek, boy. You need to go get them done.
You'll be looking like a little gay.
Yeah, you gonna be looking like a girl. You gonna be looking so good.
Where you guys from?
I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. Oh, we're gonna do one more, you guys. One more.
We need a cute boy before we get the thumbnail,
Oh,
bro.
Mom, we do that.
Damn, most of these niggas gonna be putting y'all king.
I don't believe that boy had no damn twin. Well, I'm gonna do this one day.
That's what his name was.
He probably did have a twin. He probably was at work. I said, baby, I make my own moves. Shoot homo.
Make my own moves, make no money. Yeah.
Oh, your thing coming off right here again.
Ow,
My bad. I had to stick it in there.
Don't touch me.
He's 16. Hey, can we ask you a question real quick? Yeah. He crazy. Oh my life. How many people that asked you that? Add time. How many people that asked you that? 20. Oh, you fuck. But what you rate us though, for real? 5.5, 6. All right, I fuck with it. I think I could have got a little more. I think I could have got a higher one because personally, me, I think I look better than a 5.5. But hey, it's okay. It's your opinion. But hey, I fuck with it though. You don't gotta do that. I know. I'm gorgeous. I know I'm the next Nicki Minaj in this bitch. Say no, I'm just playing. But yeah, thank you for your honest opinion though. I fuck with it. And I like your eyebrows because they thick as fuck. And your edge up because that shit crispy as fuck. Alright, I fuck with it though.
Okay,
You
guys.
cool though. Okay, so that's our last one.
Make a thumbnail.
Baby, we can't get a thumbnail, baby. I'm gonna have to screenshot one of our pictures from somebody's video because baby, it's too late in the game. I think you should try to do one more person. Can we get a thumbnail?
Come on, bro. Please.
Almost. Please. Okay, he skipped us. Fuck it.
Yeah, all right.
All right, you guys. Thank you. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You already know. Have a great, blessed day. Become a part of the HT squad. And yeah, you already know. Free breezy.
You said make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay.
We out.
Yeah, y'all know me. You know like I know. Yeah, y'all know me.